Welcome to our ice cream factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate ice cream bars are made, from fresh cow's milk to creamy frozen treats.
To achieve that perfect creamy texture, we combine premium milk and cream with just the right amount of sugar, slowly churning until velvety smooth. The mixture passes through advanced pasteurization systems, where carefully controlled temperatures ensure safety and quality. Advanced molding systems create perfectly shaped ice cream bars at incredible speed. Every ice cream bar is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.
And that's how chocolate ice cream bars are made, from fresh cow's milk to delicious frozen treats enjoyed by millions worldwide.